Talent means nothing without discipline. Dreams remain dreams unless you are willing to do the hard work every single day. Every successful person you admire, from Elon Musk to Muhammad Ali, had one thing in common. They mastered the art of discipline. Discipline is not motivation. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and goes. But discipline is a decision, a choice you make every single day, even when you don't feel like it. The truth is simple. Discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Without it, your goals are just wishes. With it, your life can transform beyond imagination. In this journey, we will explore what discipline truly is, why it's more powerful than talent or intelligence, how it shapes legends, and how you can build unshakable discipline in your own life. If you are tired of starting and quitting, if you are done with empty promises to yourself, then this video might be the turning point. Because today, we're not just going to talk about discipline, we're going to understand how to live it. Most people confuse discipline with punishment. They think discipline means restricting yourself, forcing yourself, or living a boring life. But that's not true. Discipline is not about punishment. It's about power. It's the power to control your actions, your emotions, and your decisions. It's the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. Think of discipline as a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. The less you use it, the weaker it gets. And just like a muscle, discipline grows only when you push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Without discipline, dreams die. Without discipline, talent is wasted. Without discipline, potential is never realized. Discipline is what turns ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. It's what separates the ones who wish for success from the ones who work for it. Look at any great leader, athlete, entrepreneur, or creator. They all have one thing in common. They show up every single day, whether they feel like it or not. That's discipline. The truth is, motivation is temporary. It's like a spark. It starts strong, but it fades quickly. Discipline, however, is the fire that keeps burning long after motivation is gone. It's what pushes you to wake up early, to keep going when you're tired, and to stay focused when distractions surround you. And here's something most people never understand. Discipline gives you freedom. Yes, freedom, because when you are disciplined with your time, you gain more time. When you are disciplined with your habits, you gain more control. And when you are disciplined with your goals, you gain more results. So stop thinking of discipline as something that limits you. Start seeing it as the tool that builds your future. Because without discipline, there is no success, only excuses. Discipline is not just a word. It's the foundation of every great story you've ever heard. Behind every successful person is not just talent or luck, but a daily routine of relentless discipline. Let's start with one of the most inspiring stories. Kobe Bryant. Kobe was one of the greatest basketball players of all time. But what made him legendary wasn't just his skill, it was his discipline. While others slept, Kobe was in the gym at 4 a.m. He trained harder, longer, and smarter than anyone else. He wasn't always motivated, but he was always disciplined. And that discipline made him unstoppable. Then there's Elon Musk, a name that defines innovation and risk-taking. People see him as a genius billionaire, but they forget the discipline behind his success. Musk worked 100-hour weeks building his companies. He slept on factory floors. He sacrificed comfort for commitment. His discipline didn't just build companies, it built empires. Or take Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Today, he's one of the most successful actors and entrepreneurs in the world. But he didn't get there overnight. Every morning before sunrise, he's in the gym. Every day, he's building his body, his mindset, and his dreams. His secret isn't motivation, it's discipline. Even Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed over 1,000 times before success. When asked how he kept going, he said, "I didn't fail. I just found 1,000 ways that didn't work." That's the mindset discipline builds. The mindset that never gives up. What all these people have in common is simple. They didn't wait for perfect conditions. They didn't rely on motivation. They didn't stop when they were tired. They built habits. They showed up. They kept going. And over time, discipline created success so massive that the world couldn't ignore them. And here's the truth. You are no different. Discipline is not a gift you're born with. It's a skill you build. And if they can build it, so can you. Every day you wake up early, every time you push through laziness, every moment you choose long-term success over short-term pleasure, you are building the same discipline that made them great. And one day people will talk about your story the same way. Now that you understand what discipline is and how it builds success, the next question is, how do you build it? The truth is, discipline is not something that happens overnight. It's built, choice by choice, habit by habit, day by day. Here's how you start building unbreakable discipline today. Step 1. Start small, but start now. Discipline doesn't begin with huge sacrifices. It starts with small, consistent actions. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Read 10 pages of a book daily. Exercise for just 15 minutes. It's not about doing a lot. It's about showing up every single day. Step 2. Create a daily routine structure builds discipline. Successful people don't rely on willpower. They rely on systems. Plan your day the night before. Set specific times for work, learning, exercise, and rest. A structured day reduces distractions and increases focus. Step 3. Master your mind, not just your time. Your body will resist change. Your mind will try to negotiate. But discipline means doing what's necessary, even when every part of you wants to quit. Whenever you hear that inner voice say, "I'll do it tomorrow," answer back, "No, I do it now." Step 4. Eliminate distractions ruthlessly. Discipline and distractions cannot exist together. Turn off notifications. Limit social media. Create a focused environment where your only option is progress. Step 5. Stay consistent, even when it's hard. Most people fail because they quit too early. The truth is, discipline feels boring and difficult before it becomes powerful. Remember this. You're not supposed to feel motivated every day. You're supposed to stay committed every day. Step 6. Reward progress, not perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving forward. Celebrate small wins. Every step you take is proof that you're becoming stronger and more disciplined. At the end of the day, success is not about talent. It's not about luck. It's about discipline. The quiet decisions you make every single day when no one is watching. Discipline is what turns ordinary people into legends. It's what transforms small steps into giant leaps. It's what builds the life you dream of. So stop waiting for motivation. Start acting with discipline. Wake up early. Work when it's hard. Stay consistent when you feel like quitting. Because every time you choose discipline, you're building the future version of yourself. Stronger, wiser, and unstoppable. Dreams don't work unless you do, and the work starts today. Discipline is the bridge between who you are and who you want to be. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and like button, and also share your thoughts in comment section, and also suggest me new topic on which you want new video. Thank you.